Hello everyone. Today's presentation is about a topic that is really going to make a change in our life. Every new technology is introduced to make the life of human more easygoing or to make every decision more accurate. This technology is a mixture of these two benefits, and that is ubiquitous data mining. Before that, I would like to share some basic knowledge about the two trending topics, and that is data mining and machine learning, which are the essential parts of this ubiquitous data mining. First of all, let's go through some points that I am covering today. They are data mining, machine learning, ubiquitous computing, ubiquitous data mining, its applications, challenges, and ongoing projects. First, let's see something about data mining. Data mining involves exploring and analyzing large blocks of information to glean meaningful patterns and trends. As we know, in nowadays we get large amount of data from terabytes to petabytes amount of data from different sectors. That is from social medias, e-commerce platforms, government sites or from society. But the amount of information, the relevant information is very limited. So we need a process to extract these relevant information from the bulk amount of data, and that process is data mining. Along with data mining, we always use some key properties, and they are automatic discovery of patterns, prediction of likely outcomes, creation of actionable information, and focus on large datasets and databases. We are collecting these bulk amount of data into some datasets and databases. So the first property always mentioned along with the data mining is large data sets and databases. We are using this process to extract some actionable information, and we are using the process of discovering patterns in this process. And the fourth property, prediction, that is we are using some analyzing process in the data that we have already been collected and make some prediction of likely outcomes. This is always done in weathercasting and share marketing. And another technology is machine learning. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn for themselves. We know that we are living in an era along with the computers and machines. We humans always make decisions based upon the experiences we had before. But coming to the computers and machines, we always pre-program them to handle every situation they met up. But nowadays, we are making them to learn themselves and make the decision based upon the experiences they had before. The primary aim is to allow the computers learn automatically without human intervention or assistance and adjust actions accordingly. It generally delivers faster, more accurate results in order to identify profitable opportunities or dangerous risks. Next technology is ubiquitous computing. It is really tied along with ubiquitous data mining. Wherever we mention ubiquitous data mining, we always see ubiquitous computing as part of it. Ubiquitous computing is moving the computational power to the area that surrounds the user. The main objective of ubiquitous computing is to free the user from space and time constraint. Ubiquitous means everywhere, and computing means use computer, that is manipulate data as per instruction and produce result. Simply computing everywhere for everyone. We are converting every ordinary object surrounding a user to smarter objects by injecting the property of sensing, analyzing, processing, and making up a result. Thus, we are using the computational power in every object surrounding a user. Thus, we are implementing the ubiquitous computing. Ubiquitous data mining is one of the potential applications that motivates need for ubiquitous computing. UDM is concerned with data analysis and delivery on mobile devices. Saying about ubiquitous data mining, it is a way toward performing examination of information on mobile embedded and ubiquitous devices. It speaks the up and coming age of information mining framework that will support the intelligent and time-basic needs of portable clients and will encourage whenever any place data mining. UDM is the process of extracting hidden classifiers, clusters, frequent item sets, and association rules from data distributed among a number of mobile and stationary data sources. It is a process of analyzing data emanating from distributed and heterogeneous sources with mobile devices or within sensor networks. The techniques that are used to perform analysis typically include traditional data mining techniques that are drawn from a combination of machine learning and statistical approaches. The underlying focus of UDM system is to perform computationally intensive mining analysis techniques in mobile environments that are constrained by the limited computational resources and varying network characteristics. Its applications are Ubiquitous Healthcare Framework. Ubiquitous healthcare is the subsequent stage in the coordination of data innovation with healthcare services administration and refers to the entrance to healthcare services whenever and wherever for singular consumers through mobile computing technology. U Healthcare can give benefits that gather patients' information constantly and give health information by analyzing the information utilizing biomedical signal estimation, which can be conveyed anytime, anywhere, and by everybody online as well as connected. These U-Healthcare system provide enhanced services including real-time patient data collection and monitoring for emergency care as well as preventive health recommendations. Intersection collision warning and or avoidance system and another application. Vehicle-based intersection collision warning systems are fairly effective for a single vehicle. However, in an intersection, a cooperative system is preferred solution because there are more than one vehicle. As it is very important to communicate foreseen threats to other vehicles, there is a project that uses multi-agent system for intersection collision warning system. However, it only implements vehicle-to-vehicle cooperation for intersection safety. Threat detection relies on information such as location, velocity, and acceleration shared by other vehicles. Useful information from external sources such as the infrastructure and environment are not incorporated. Therefore, we suggest an integration of multi-agent system and ubiquitous data mining notions to a hybrid intersection safety model that can be applied to any intersection. Next application is ubiquitous data mining for road safety. The use of data mining to improve road safety can be categorized into two approaches. The first approach concentrates on mining crash data, which includes various attributes relating to both driver and vehicle at the time of crash. The focus is on analyzing the data for the purpose of discovering useful and potentially actionable information. Crash data are mined to identify the driver and vehicle attributes, which are the main cause for the accident. Principal component analysis was used to emphasize the relationships between the characteristics, such as age, gender, and vehicle type to crash variables. The second major system focus on are the Advanced Driving Assistance System, that is ADAS. They concentrate on attempting to prevent specific damaging scenario. There is a system called a SAVER that is also introduced for the road safety with the help of ubiquitous data mining, that is situation awareness with ubiquitous data mining for road safety. It comprehensively incorporates and analyzes contextual information related to driver behavior, driver physiological and psychological profile, car dynamics and environmental information in a real time and in ubiquitous condition. Saying about its architecture, there is a crash database which has the historical crash data stored in it. And there is an onboard system which consists of several sensors that continuously collects the information related to the data, and it is stored in UDM based classification module and a context model action for verification. This system contains of a crash database that contains crash data. This data is mined using traditional data mining techniques to build predictive models for classifying new or unseen hazardous events. Thus, the very first model may even be developed using simulation data and human expertise. The onboard system consists of several sensors that continuously detect environmental context action fed upon this UDM classificatory module. Once a sequence of events that is classed as potentially alarming based on the predictive model, it is detected, a signal is sent to the black box component to start recording events. This data is used to update the crash database. This approach addresses the need to reduce data transmission between the vehicles and central crash database by focusing on recording data that pertains to alarming events. The context model is used to verify at a certain risk level and take remedial action as necessary. However, the context model may verify that is possibly fatigue. On each vehicle, several different clustering models of driving behavior are built according to the specific or spatial temporal context. Let's see some challenges. First, adaptivity and user interaction. Mobile users and devices, changing context, and dynamic groups all impose requirements for flexibility and responsiveness that are simply not addressed by most traditional data management techniques. Because of ubiquitous computing is intended to augment human capabilities in the execution of various tasks, the nature of these applications is that the user is typically interacting in real-time computer. Next is requirements due to mobility. As the terminals, that is the devices, are constantly moving from one location to another, the storage capacity remains that a ubiquitous system must be able to deliver data to and receive data from different and changing locations. Where users are handed off from one proxy to another as they move, protocol must be constructed in such a way to able to tolerate and handoffs without breaking. Next is requirement due to context awareness. Context awareness imposes significant demands on the knowledge maintained by the system and the inference algorithm that use that knowledge. In order to be context aware, a system must maintain an internal representation of users' needs, roles, and preferences, etc. There is a real-time situation where the system cannot identify more general dangerous driving behavior patterns such as driving under the influence of alcohol. Therefore, these systems cannot give advance warnings. There are many ongoing projects using this system. First, let's see some of the ongoing projects, and they are data recharging or profile-based data dissemination and synchronization. The data recharging project is developing a service and corresponding infrastructure that permits a mobile device of any kind to plug into the internet at any location for any amount of time. Mobile devices requires two key resources to function. They are power and data. The mobile nature of such devices combined with the limitations of the size and cost and make it impractical to keep them continually connected to the fixed power and data. This project helped to continually connected with these two basic needs. And another project is adaptive data flow query processing. And another important aspect of ubiquitous computing environment. In mobile application, for example, data can move throughout the system in order to follow the users who need it. That is the variable nature of data availability and the challenges of managing and processing dynamic data flows. Now I conclude my words by bringing up your attention that the combination of global wireless and wired connectivity along with the increasingly small and powerful devices enable wide array of new applications that change the nature of computing and data mining. Ubiquitous data mining raises a tremendous number of opportunities and challenges for data management research and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. Ubiquitous data mining is used to reduce or cope up with human errors by monitoring driving risks in real time. It is really cost effective and easy to use tool for improving safety and reducing operating costs, bringing up the strategy of anytime, anywhere computing and data mining. That's all. Thank you.